Hi everyone, today I will talk about the Swiss banking.
And how it became one of the best places to stock money in the world.
Switzerland has made some great progress through the 20th century. They increased their amount of foreigners.
Money!
You must know that this great evolution came straight from the two world wars. Switzerland was a neutral country in those wars that helped them grow. During the First World War, the countries involved in the war sold their golds to gain Swiss money to buy strategic war stuff from other neutral countries. That helped those countries to survive and get through wars. In 1929, 5 to 7% of Switzerland's bank revenue came from foreign capitals. 13 to 17 came from large foreign banks. It really took a step forward during the Second World War. Switzerland bought some gold from Germany in exchange of Swiss money that was neutral in the Second World War. Germany, with this money, bought some strategic war stock to help them during the war. And now, let's talk about income tax in Canada versus the one in Switzerland. Let's do the math. As you can see on this graph, Switzerland has one of the lowest effective personal income tax rate. Canadian foreign capital is taxed as every resident of Canada. Therefore, external money is treated as any other money stocked in Canadian banks. There is a big difference when calculating income tax in Switzerland. The income tax are generally calculated on income of someone, but when you're a stranger in Switzerland, you get some advantage that change a lot of the final amount taken by the government. Switzerland is no tax even, but it's close. We'll check that out. So as I said, in Canada, strangers and residents are the same. They pay a percentage of their revenue. It means strangers do not have an advantage. In the other hand, Switzerland do not withdraw income tax from the income of someone. Instead, they take a percentage out of things you possess. It is called a system of tax expenses. First, you need to have and pay for a place to live in Switzerland. Second, you must have not worked there in the last decade to be available to the system of tax expenses. The benefits associated to that are kind of excellent. So it's simple. Switzerland offered to strangers to pay taxes on things they possess. The more they have, the more they pay. If they don't have a wealthy house and wealthy stock, then they will pay less in the income taxes and be richer. That's simple. So in conclusion, it's a great advantage for strangers to put money in Swiss bank. They will pay less income taxes if they do that. Thank you for watching.